In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice template in Xero. We'll walk through the process from inside your Xero account so you can customize how your invoices look before you send them to your customers. This is really useful if you want your invoices to better reflect your branding or include specific information your business needs. First, make sure you're logged into Xero and that you've selected the correct organization. If you manage more than one business in Xero, check the organization name at the top of your dashboard. If it's not the one you want, click on it and switch to the right organization. Editing invoice templates applies only to the organization you're currently in, so this step is important. Once you're in the right organization, look towards the top of the page and click on Settings. Depending on your layout, you might see it in the main navigation bar or under a menu icon, but you're looking for the main settings area where you manage your organization's preferences. Inside Settings, find and click on Invoice Settings. This is where Xero keeps all the options related to invoices, including default templates, payment terms, and branding themes. Opening this section will show you a list of your existing invoice templates or branding themes that you can customize. Next, locate the specific invoice template you want to change. On the same row as that template, there's an Options button or link. Click on Options to reveal more actions you can take for that template. From the drop-down that appears, select Edit. This will open the detailed editing view for that particular invoice template. Here, you can change things like your logo, color scheme, any standard text that appears on your invoices, and sometimes the layout or which fields are shown. Take a moment to review what's already there so you understand what you're changing. Now go ahead and make your edits. You might update your business address, adjust the font size, add payment instructions, or tweak the wording in the header and footer. As you make changes, think about what your customers need to see clearly. Your contact details, payment terms, due dates, and any notes that reduce questions or disputes. When you're satisfied with your changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save. This will apply your edits to that template so that any new invoices you create using this template will reflect your updated design